Brief overview: bike before the accident, the bike after the accident, rear fender overlay, cut up, not being supported by a fender underneath, no support. Brake line all foiled up the front, can get caught. Wires outside of the bar. Docket station not being used. Crash bar all bent. All the inner tabs to the inner fairing are broke off. Bike down to the frame. And the bike after it's all done.
Bikes, plasma bars, custom dynamics, 8 inches long, Batman bike, switch here for the LEDs. There's no better way to show Batman some respect than giving him his lights built in. Put them on the bottom of the bag. You want to see them? Right there, built in, smooth. Skid plate right here. Bottom of the bag, personally cut and built, powder coated.
Everybody, please make sure you hit that like button, leave some comments, subscribe to the channel. More views, subscriptions, and everything else I get, which helps out more with the builds. I have more content to come, but hit that notification bell as well, so when new things come out, you guys can be advised on it and let know when it's back up on the YouTube. Here we have the customer, very happy customer at that. This first time taking it out for good. This is when it left me last. Very happy man. He wanted a Batman theme and he gave me all artistic freedom. He just wanted to make sure that was on top of actual white pearl. So I correlated that in there and you guys see the result. Thank you guys for watching.